Okay, this might be your physical server on which you are packaging, or it might be a EC2 instance, or it might be some virtual machine on your laptop, whatever it is. All of this we were doing directly on our EC2 instances, right? They might be different slaves. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Slave 1, slave 2. In our case, all of these are EC2 instances. Maybe they might be on-prem servers, whatever. So if I want to run MVN package, I should need only Java 8. Do you remember? And Maven, any version is fine, but Java 8 should be there. I think, yeah, we did not deploy, so we don't need Tomcat. But Maven goals, the which we have used, like the goals to create this package will work with Maven 8, Java 8 JDK, right? Whereas unit test is working with any Java. Have you noticed it? Any Maven? Because the plugin used at the backend is compatible with any Java version. This is fine. But here we face lot of challenges. If there are multiple Javas, we have to point it to Java 8. And similarly, imagine some for some reasons, let's say this got uninstalled, only Java 11 is there. Is your MVN package working?
No.
Have we faced this scenario or not? Many of you faced this scenario, correct? But we discussed in the beginning, Docker will eliminate environmental differences, but this environmental difference is still there, correct? Even let's say, okay, tomorrow they were using some other plugin at the back end. Here also the problem might come up, correct? Maybe because of Java, whatever. So I would like to modify even this, particularly this one. This particular job, I would like to modify in such a way that I would not package on the machine, rather I would package inside a container. Meaning, I will take a container rather than EC2 instance, like I'm having here. See, I'm just taking Tomcat and placing the var file, but I'll not place the var file. I'll build the var file in the image itself. If I build it, people need not struggle about which version of Java they should have on EC2 instance, correct? I'll create a container which will have write Maven, write Java, which will have address book, var file. And also, of course, it should have Tomcat. So that they will not give me the var file, they will give me this image. They'll give me this Docker file. So let us improvise our container. It should not be doing MVN package first, then just copy the package in the container. Rather, I'll build it inside the container. Got the point, everyone?
Yeah.
Let's proceed now to do this. Means I would like to make my Docker file better. Okay, I am creating another Docker file. See, imagine this is address book also same. You use add and put the var file name. It doesn't make much difference. So I'm creating a var file which will also package the uh, which will also do package, which will containerize the previous step also, so that we can eliminate the environmental differences. You may create another folder for your Docker file. That's the best practice, but that's fine. I'm using the same. I'm giving a name as Docker file 1. Okay, like I said, it should be Docker file only, but that's okay for some time. Okay, now I would like to choose Tomcat, but a proper version which will have JDK 8. Okay, so go to hub. You should test which version of the image you will work. You have to do some testing, and you should do this. I'm seeing very less strength today. Please make sure to attend the sessions regularly. If not, please make sure you're watching the previous class video before you join. Okay. Sorry, I'm searching. Okay. Okay, this is the one. In that, I would like to choose Java with JDK 8. I need JDK 8 for Maven package, right? So See, these are all the different tags I have. And I'm more into 8.5 version will work for sure. Uh, you can use all of them, try out. I would like to use something 8.58, this one, JDK. You can test and decide. Okay, I have tested one of them here. JDK. This is the tag I have tested. Okay, you don't need to remember all of that. Dedicate users, it will show you when you click this, it will also take you to the Dockerfile or else what are all the layers you can see. See what are all present here. Okay, build commands, you can see all of them here. You get some idea of what is inside. So as I tested, this one is working for our address book. So I would like to use this as a base image, which is having Tomcat and Java. Okay. This will use always the best practices use of each. See, I'm also covering best practices as much as possible as I'm going through. So try to understand them. We should always prefer base image, not your own images or unofficial images, because unofficial images may have some virus, vulnerabilities, and all. So always prefer base image rather than leaving this tag. Means don't leave this tag. Put the tag always, because if you use latest, what happen? Others, if you don't put tag, it will always use latest. If any updates happen to that latest image, you don't know, right? Like you can't predict what were there in it. So always specify the tag which you need. Tag, if already if you are specifying this tag, right? This might be this particular tag will have the same packages which were defined here. So it's predictable. You know what is there. So always use the official one as the base image. Always mention the tag rather than using latest tag. Those are the best practices. Now let's set environment variables for Maven. This is another Docker instruction. I have given an example as direct like Java home. Similarly, I would set Maven one, which will give you the path of Maven. Echo. Mm, Is it okay now?
It's better, but there is little echo, ma'am.
Even now as well?
Yeah, little. It's coming from the background.
How about now?
I'm still have it.
I can't hear you. Please message me. I just turned off my speakers. Message me if you have any questions. Unmute. Is it okay now or still the same? You can message in the chat. Are you still having still okay? Then I would like to rejoin. Shall I rejoin? Problem for everyone?
Yes.
Okay, I'll rejoin. Okay, the meeting may be closed. Please try to rejoin from your end. Like you have to rejoin the meeting. I'm closing the meeting. 1 second.